Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Tosh. If you're new, don't forget to click that button, subscribe, so you don't miss out on anything that I upload. And if you're returning, you should already know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. Today, we are touring a $14,000 apartment. Before I show you guys the $14,000 apartment, we're gonna look at a regular 2-bedroom apartment. It is a little bit different, but it's kind of the same. Let's go ahead and take a look at location and see exactly where this place is located. So here is exactly where these apartments are located. As you can see, it's basically, well, it's not at the mall, but it's basically at the mall. You do have the mall close by, as well as a bunch of other restaurants and stores and literally all kinds of things. There's so many places that you can go and hang out over here. You shouldn't be getting bored. You also have a few banks nearby. If you bank with any of these places, that's fantastic. You can literally walk there if you need to. To get to downtown is pretty easy. You just hop on First Ave, and that eventually turns into Spear, and then you can take Spear all the way down if you would like. There is a King Soopers over here, and then I know that they have a Target nearby. There is also a Whole Foods over here if you need that. As far as transit options go, there's not really much on these little side streets. As you can see, there's really nothing, but you can walk over to the mall. It's probably like a 5-10 minute walk over here, and there are bus stops over here that can take you to the light rail or really probably wherever you need to go. There's some over here as well, so there are options, just not exactly right next to you, like you can see. So right when you walk in, you have your restroom. It's like a half bath. To the left, nothing special going on in here. Across from that, you have like this mud room. You can do so much with this space. You could even maybe make this into a little office if you wanted to. You also have your full-size washer and dryer here, as well as your coat closet. You could probably put something really cute in there. Walking out of that, you have your kitchen, which is a full-size kitchen, like full setup. You have a gorgeous like chestnut color cabinet with white countertops, and then what looks like it's a marble backsplash. Is it real marble? I have no idea. It looks good. And then also, I really like the stove in this kitchen. I've said it before at other places when stoves look like this. I just think that it looks so much better than a glass top stove. I believe she said that all of the appliances were Bosch appliances, not 100% sure. Also, for the island area, I really like this because we've seen it before, but it's kind of rare that we see it. So I really like when the sides of the island are kind of closed off. It's different. Also, really quick, I just want to point out that the microwave is in the bottom area of the cabinets instead of the top. Pretty unique. There's also a little wine storage fridge, and then obviously stainless steel appliances. There's also a dishwasher, but I forgot to record the front of the island. I'm so sorry. Moving on to like the living area, you can do so much with this space. It's so big. You can do a full setup. You can even have like a full-size dining table, your couch, a nice rug, TV stand, a big one too. You could probably do an entertainment center. Like, you could go all out if you wanted to. And then the window as well is also connected with a balcony door, but it does basically go all the way up to the ceiling, and it covers most of the wall. So I feel like you really get a good amount of light in here. I really like that. I can't remember if they have fans. You'll have to go and check yourself if you're actually interested in living here. I do really like the way that the lights are, and I'm very happy that there are lights, because there are a lot of places in Denver that don't put lights in their ceilings. The first room that we're going to go into is just so big. We're gonna go to the right and we're gonna look at the bathroom. This is a garden shower tub combination, and I really like the way it looks. It's literally marble everything, like marble floors, marble bathtub, tub. But I do wish the backsplash did go all the way up. I don't know. It looks super fancy. And this mirror, oh my god, this mirror is gorgeous. I love the light strips on the side. I really like the his and her setup for the sink, but I also really like the way that the cabinets in the bathroom look. Look at these cabinets, you guys. Tell me that they're not, I don't know, unique. I haven't seen any place with cabinets like that. This closet is hands down the best closet that we've ever seen on my channel, at least. I like this closet. I don't know what else to say about it. There's so much storage. It seems like it's actual like wood that is the shelves, and you also have like a dresser into the bedroom. You have so much room. These windows are huge. Again, I do kind of wish that the windows covered more of the wall, just because, especially for the prices that you're paying here. I feel like everything needs to be perfect, right? You still get so much light coming into this bedroom, and you can honestly have like a king size bed, and you can probably put a couch in here. I don't even know. You can do so much with the amount of space that you have in this room. Going across to the second bedroom, it is pretty much the exact same, but it's also different. So the bedroom portion is pretty much the same. You go into the closet, that is completely different. It just looks like your normal closet that we see at every apartment, including mine. Going from that closet into the bathroom, you only have a stand-in shower in here, but you still have so much room in this bathroom. And you have completely different colored cabinets and countertops. Completely different colors. And I was a little like scratching my head. I feel like it should be the same. What do you guys think? I don't know. But it still looks really nice. To be able to even walk into a $14,000 apartment in itself is cool, because I don't think that, you know, I definitely can't afford that. Not even close. I feel very grateful that I got to tour this property. I'm excited for you guys to see the amenities and the $14,000 apartment. Let me know after you guys watch this, if you've seen Gables, which place do you guys think is better? Watch it. Let me know what you think. I'm excited for you guys to see it. Bye.
I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that? It's just stupid. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good, so why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. you'll be the one. Just play